Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a monthly reading for all the Sagittarius and Moon Venus rising from 1st till the 15th of May 2025. It's not a love reading or career or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. And it's journal, it might or might not resonate. So let's start. Sagittarius. Overall energy for Sagittarius people for the first 15 days of May 2025 is, let's see what we have, honey. Magician, you are going to be in this energy of, okay, let's manifest a brand new beginning, let's manifest a brand new life, maybe manifesting a lover, maybe manifesting a brand new job or career. You are going to be super focused on your manifestation, whatever you are trying to manifest here in this time, is in this period of time. Okay, so your overall energy is going to be focused on the manifestation game. Okay, let's see in the past what was happening, recent past. Knight of Swords, you were trying to run away from something or someone as far as you could. You were like, okay, I don't want to face it, I don't want to deal with it, this is kind of taking a lot from me, so let me run away. Okay, currently we have the Eight of Swords. You can't stop overthinking about something or someone. You're continuously thinking and creating scenarios, and you're like, I God help me to get out of this. Yeah, by the 15th of May, Eight of Pentacles. So you will start putting in the effort and energy in the right direction according to whatever is going to mean um, a lot to you. Let's clarify these cards. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords in the recent past for you guys. We had the Seven of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles and the Six of Pentacles. So you had a lot of things to deal with. You were like, I had to do this as well, that as well, I have to handle this area of my life as well, and that area of my life as well. And you were very frustrated by the way things were very imbalanced. So instead of fixing them, you were like, okay, let me run away as far as I could, because I can't deal with this. You are an air sign, fire sign, sorry. And when things go slow or things go that much confusing, you're like, okay, I don't want to deal with it. Frustrates you, right? So you were frustrated by a lot of things, by a lot of confusing things happening in your life in the recent past, and instead of fixing them, you were like, I can't handle this, bye bye. Okay, currently we have the Eight of Swords. You are not able to think positive in a particular direction, even if you want to. You're kind of trapped in your thoughts. Okay, let me clarify the Eight of Swords here. We have the Three of Cups and the Ace of Cups and the Knight of Wands. Okay, you are attached to a particular person or situation, and you have lot of love, lot of passion, lot of love, fire from your side in a particular situation, in a particular connection, collaboration, partnership. Again, it can be related to your work, it can be related to love, it can be related to a friendship, it can be related to anything. But your mind is continuously making stories. Nah, it's not happening, never, it's not possible, blah blah blah. So even if you have a lot of love and a strong pull and desire to come together or come back together in a particular partnership or situation, your mind is continuously telling you a different story, and you're kind of listening to your mind right now. You're not able to listen to your heart even if you want to. Okay, that's what's happening currently in the current situation. By the 15th of May, we have the Eight of Pentacles. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, honey. We have the Six of Swords, the Knight of Swords, and the King of Cups. Yeah, you are going to be in this energy of, okay, let me move on towards calmer water, and let me not rush towards anything or anyone, and let me go straight away towards a particular person or situation that I really want to be with. It's basically you are going to put in the effort and energy in moving on towards calmer water, finding a peaceful solution to the problem that you are facing in a particular situation, and at the same time trying your best to not to rush towards something or someone, but energetically you will be like, your energies will be running in a particular direction, but you were in this energy, you are going to be in this energy of, okay, let me calm down, and straight away heading towards a particular person or situation that is super super aligned with your heart, right? In the coming future, you are going to be like, this is something that I really really want, and I'm going to put in the effort and energy, and I'm going to find a solution, even though I do see you physically distancing yourself from something or someone, because right now things are very icky. But eventually you are going to be like, okay, let me do something about it, let me find a solution, because this is something that's very close to my heart and soul, let me do something about it, without rushing, without creating drama, without being in this energy of, oh my god. No, it's going to be like, okay, let's take it one day at a time and let's handle it with love. That is the energy for you. The guidance here is the King of Wands. Don't do anything in just pure passion or pure fire, or in the spur of the moment, or in this like, okay, let's do it. Basically, don't do anything without thinking about that thing like 100 times, okay? Because you might do something, you might end up doing something just in pure passion, or just in pure like, okay, let's do this, and then you might end up regretting it later on, because you might have this tendency to act upon your impulses, and you should not be doing that at all, Sagittarius, because it's going to backfire. It's going to be like creating more mess than it's already is. Like, it's going to make it more messier than it already is. That's the deal here. So don't act on your impulses. Think before you are going to do something in a particular situation or direction, and then make a move maybe accordingly. Good. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.